morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. What up everybody? So it is 11:33 in the AM and I am currently on the laptop. Today I'm finally getting back into my routine. Zumba starts back up today. Woo! So I'm excited to get my groove on and lose some calories. Burn this forsaken fat off my body for once and for all. So I'm planning on getting my lazy ass up after I edit some videos. And I need to get a shower. I might need to trek to Tesco's because I've left my hairdryer in the caravan, unfortunately. So I texted Granda and it says, look, if it's going to be a problem getting my hairdryer down, like, because it does take like an hour and a half to get there, I was like, I'll just buy a new one and we'll keep that one up there, sure. And he was like, ah, that's alright. So I think I'm going to go to Tesco today. Good thing it's raining, so I have an excuse to wear my hat because my hair is a mess. And if you don't know already, if I don't shower my hair like doesn't sit properly. It's really annoying. It really fries my head. But I'm planning on editing like 2 videos now, and then I'm gonna get up, get showered, get to Tesco's, and I think I'm gonna dye my hair when I get home, because my roots are annoying me. They're doing my head in. I'm planning on bleaching the roots, and then I've got a grey dye in there from Superdrug that I'm going to put on. It's like a grey silver colour. So I'm planning on doing that today if I've got the time. Right guys, that's me ready! My glasses are bogging. Does anybody else wear glasses on their way and completely destroy them with their dirty hands? Melanie likes to put her hands all over my glasses. I hope she doesn't do that if she has to get glasses, because she has an appointment tomorrow at the hospital for an eye test. She got referred there last month, and our appointment's tomorrow. That reminds me I need to write to the hospital right now because we never got a letter. We just got a text. So I'm gonna have to ring up now and see the crack. Hello, I got a text saying that we have an appointment tomorrow at the hospital, but we never got no letter. It doesn't say a clinic, it just says your dependent has an appointment at the hospital on the 5th. Hello, I got a text message on Sunday or Monday saying that we have an appointment on the 5th, but we never received a letter or anything. It doesn't say on the text, you see. Jessica Shaw, but I think it might be for my daughter, Melanie Duncan. It's for tomorrow at 3 o'clock, it says. Hello. Yeah, was referred from Specsavers, but I'm just wondering why I never got a letter. Was it sent to my old address or? If it's Cairn Hall, it's the old address. It's the old address. I'll probably have to go up and get the letter in that house then. Mrs. Brennan. Alright then. That's great, thank you. So, Mrs. Brennan. Okay, thank you. Alright. So, our appointment is tomorrow for definite, and the letter was sent to my old address. So, I'll probably have to get the letter now tomorrow before the appointment. Just to get like the information, because, as I say, I don't really know anything about the appointment, or that it's for Melanie, it's for eyes. Manny! I rang the hospital, he said the letter's at the other address.
Cairn Hill?
He said Melanie's, for Melanie Duncan, that's where her address is down.
So where are you gonna go?
Get the letter tomorrow. He said it's with Mrs. Brennan, the appointment.
What?
He said it's with Mrs. Brennan, the appointment.
Where did you leave, Teddy? I think on the kitchen.
Guys, I just checked my Google account for YouTube and I just got a big payment. Good thing I'm going up to the town now, I can spend a bit.
So excited. Thank you Google and YouTube for sending me money.
I'm so annoyed at myself. I forgot my purse up in the caravan. So we're gonna go up at the weekend and get it. I'm actually raging. But good thing we have online banking, because I was able to send Manny 100 and I have his card, so I'm going to take 100 out in the town. So good thing we have online banking, because I'd have been so screwed. So probably Friday or Saturday we're going up to get it. But I'm actually raging. It's going so shite, no harm. I'm just literally going to miss the bus. And there's no way I'm running, because I'll just look like a spastic when he drives on. See what I mean? He's away now. What I'm just realising, I didn't bring ID, and I'm meant to be going to the post office to lift a package. Give me strength this day. I'm gonna flip the fuck.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Right, Right, I'm home, guys. I'm gonna get something to eat and then I'll be putting on my new shoes and my new Zumba gear. So excited! Hopefully it fits. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So this is the new Zumba gear, guys. What do you think of it? New shoes. You feel good?
Mommy,
Yummy?
shoe,
Yeah.
shoe,
Did you get new shoes as well?
shoe.
Yeah.
But mommy,
You've no patience. Here, put your foot on there. Put your foot on there. There, now look at your new shoes. Oh wow, they're lovely. They're a bit big in you though, because they're for Greece. I got you a size bigger. And a little. I would have went out, but I didn't realise that. So anyways, I'm ready now. I'm just going to get my water and my money and then I'm going to go over to Steph's. So I will see when I get back and let you know how the clothes felt on because, I don't know, I'm not really sure yet. But I do love the shoes already. They're so comfy. Right, back home. Making the dins. Manny and Melanie already had their dinner. And about the Zumba gear, I'm not really feeling the top of the trousers together because the material is the exact same, so it keeps like riding up like this here when I'm dancing. Like, I don't know how to explain it to you. The top rides up, it doesn't like sit. When I pull it down like this, it doesn't stay there, it goes like this. Oh, I don't know. But it was annoying anyway, so the next time I wear the trousers, I'm going to wear like a cotton top and then vice versa. When I'm wearing this, I'll wear my cotton trousers that I got from Primark. So that's what I thought. And the shoes were great, guys. They were so good. Oh, I'm so hungry. Please hurry up and cook. This is what I'm having. And then I'll probably put like all season or something on it if I can. Where's my all season? This is so annoying. It takes forever to focus. There we go, finally! Season all. Let me put that on there too. And then my Scotch bonnet sauce. This is so nice, you get it in Aldi. Dinner time! Guys, go and look how delicious that looks! Oh my gosh! That dinner was so good. It was really, really yummy! Right, remember I said earlier I was gonna go get dye and stuff and do my hair. It's too late to do it now, unfortunately. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But I did buy the stuff today, so I got the Jerome Russell Bay Blonde High Lift Powder Bleach, and you get 4 sachets of High Lift Powder Bleach. And then I bought 2 of these thingamajigs. What are they called? 40 vol peroxide. And then after my roots are bleached, I'm gonna shove this on. It is 11.11 silver. That's not going to focus, sorry guys. But yeah, I'll do that tomorrow because I am absolutely wrecked, stuffed, and I just couldn't be bothered, to be honest. And I'm really enjoying watching American Horror Story. I'm going to take off these dirty clothes and get a shower and just lie down. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below. And most importantly, smash the subscribe button for free. Remember to hit the bell, you get notification every time we upload. And that is every day. And remember, if you're watching our videos and you're not already subscribed, please hit that button. It really means a lot to us. And share with your friends and family. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow on the next video. Bye guys!